Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter. So this year I did end up getting 3 advent calendars. I absolutely love my advents. The first one I got was one from my local brick and mortar Scraps of Love store. And then I got one from IKEA because I absolutely love their chocolate and it just looked so cute. And of course we need a little chocolate every day. But then last minute comes out this amazing advent from Art Impressions, which I am absolutely in love with Art Impressions. I think I own, I don't want to say everything, but almost everything, probably a lot of their collection. And especially the watercolor. It was the first medium that I learned to really craft with, and made watercoloring very accessible. So I was so super excited when this advent came out last week. So I rushed and put an order in and called and said, hey, is there any way I can get this so I can start filming? Because I'd like to, fingers crossed, do a little video every single day to show you some simple, easy projects that I've made using the advent. Now, I'm going to start off maybe just using what I get in the advent, but I may open it up and use other products also. So we are just going to play it by ear and kind of see where we go with that. So um, in the catalog, I did peek, and it does, if you want to open this, I'm not going to open it because I don't want to, if anybody wants to open day by day. I did take a look to see, give me some inspiration to get me started. My initial thought was only to craft with what comes in this kit, but I think I'm going to expand that. I think I'm going to pull in some of my other collections and do a little bit from there also. But today's, I am going to try to do just what we get in the kit. So let's open day 1. So when I am watercoloring, I'm probably just going to go quiet and maybe either put some music on or just fast forward and let you listen. So if I'm not talking throughout, that's why. I'll do watercoloring tutorials later on, but this one's just a soothing, calming, come and craft with me, and we'll have some quiet time while we craft. So let's open day 1. Ooh, this is a lot bigger than I thought. That is absolutely beautiful. So that is an evergreen bough. So pretty. And I totally forgot to pull out my blocks. So I'm going to need to go pull my blocks. Give me 1 second while I pull my blocks out. You think you have everything? So I think I'm going to do this project. So this is some of the watercolor, or not watercolor, this is some of the paper packs that Art Impressions comes out with. And I thought this Christmas journaling series would be really pretty to pair with my cards. So I may not finish them on video, but I will take pictures and post the finished product of what I use, and I'm going to be using this paper pack throughout. So let's see, which one? Oh, that fits on that one. Okay. So I'm going to show you my inspiration piece for this. So I found this on Pinterest, and it says Sarah Ellen Zordow. And I think it's actually a picture, like a painted picture that you can purchase somewhere. So this is kind of the inspiration piece that I'm going with for this. I don't always look for pieces that are identical, but I do kind of think outside the box. Okay, so I decided to pull out the rectangle double stitch dies, and I chose this tree background here. And I did both of these papers on that double stitch die. You can see, oops, see if I can get that in a good light for you. You can see those stitches on there. And then we'll bring in, I think I'm going to grab one more piece of just cardstock in like this light teal color. So let me find that.